Red color apples hanging on a tree. One for you and one for me. One for Daddy, one for Mummy, one for all of us. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yellow color bananas hanging on a tree. One for you and one for me. One for Daddy, one for Mummy, one for all of us. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hello my dear children, welcome back. Children, can you tell me how many apples and bananas for you, for me, for Mummy and for Daddy? Children, today I will tell you how to count objects and do addition. So come on children, let's start. Addition. Today we will learn basic addition. Addition means all together. We will do counting using objects and fingers. This is plus sign. It is used for addition. And this is equal to. It means it is the result of the counting. 1. So we have 1 apple plus 1, 2. So here we have 2 apples. Now we will count all together and find the total number of apples. 1, 2 and 3. So in total we have 3 apples. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now let's take another example and start counting objects. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 balloons plus 1 and 2. So we have 2 balloons. Now we will count all together and find the total number of balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in total we have 6 balloons. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Next, take another example and start counting objects. 1, 2 and 3. So we have 3 pencils plus 1 pencil. Now we will count all together and find the total number of pencils. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in total we have 4 pencils. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay children, that's all for today. See you next time. Till then, bye bye. Have fun.